Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. Right now I'm going to the new BMW showroom. I was just at the Ducati showroom. So yeah, check out the previous video if you want to see how the new V4 is. Ducati V4 is an awesome bike. It's very small actually compared to the old ones, or compared to any other super bikes honestly. What I've seen is, when you see the tank over here of the 10R, and when you see the previous video and you see the tank when I sat on it, it's a huge difference. Alright, there's BMW. Oh, it's pretty big. Okay, fair enough. I think I have to make a turn somewhere, so we'll see. Huh? But yeah, this is the new bike, and the customer is over there, I believe. Okay, this person is the customer of the bike, as you guys can see. We have the S1000rr. That's cool. This is a new showroom, and as you can see, all these bikes over here, pretty cool bikes. This is the electric bike, and that's the GS F900. This is the M Sport, and we have carbon wheels, the carbon thing over there, and electronic suspension and all that. The bigger winglets, the fins of the iconic BMW. So it's pretty good. And this bike, it's a display bike, it's not the customer's bike, so it's fine if I sit on it and all that, but we can't turn this bike on. So yeah, when we sit on it, as you see, it's very different from the V4, and it's more taller actually. That's what I feel. It's more taller. It's a bigger bike. I think my 10R is more bigger, but this one is pretty cool. It doesn't have a much committed posture that I thought it would. It's more, compact and more comfortable to sit on. So yeah, that's the new S1krr with the new design and new stuff. That's what I wanted to show you guys, and that's my friend Sam. He's a bit busy, so he's the sales manager of this showroom, right? Yeah, he's the new sales manager of the new showroom. So I won't be meeting him much because he'll be in I'll go to Kormangla. He'll be here. So yeah, sure, that's right. Yeah. So he's pretty busy because it's the opening, and he has to meet everyone and all that. But yeah, I showed you guys the new V4, the new S1000rr. If any other new bike comes, I know people, just let me know if you guys want to see it, and we'll go and take a look at it. But for me to own the bike, I should like the bike first. It's not that I didn't like both of these bikes. They're awesome bikes, but your boys are the plans. So you guys just have to wait and watch what I do with my plans. But yeah, awesome bike, and I think I'll continue my way back home. I think I've shown you pretty much everything that I can show. There were a lot of copyrighted songs being played, so I couldn't really take footage of the ground floor, but I took a lot of footage of the first floor and the new S1krr. Of course, we didn't get to talk to Sam much, but I'll meet him again as soon as I can, and we'll have a talk about the new S1K, just like we had a talk with my friend Rahul. Thank you to Sam for inviting me to this event. The guys from BMW were helpful with everything. I had to record and stuff. Few people asked me to take my helmet off, but then I was like, I'm recording, and they were fine with it. So it was pretty nice. It was pretty kind of them to let me record everything, the whole event. Woo! S1000rr is so fun, man. I'm just imagining how fun the other bikes will be. The S1krr, the V4, the Yamaha R1, the GSXR. Oh, look, a German Shepherd. I don't know if the camera is capturing it. He's kept his head out, the cute little thing. Hi! Oh, so cute. You guys want me to do another rev? Woohoo! So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and do please subscribe, because there's a lot of content that you can enjoy if you do subscribe and join me on this Valkyrie journey. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Do ride safe. Peace.